Yo, what's up? FY Mushy here. Just found a new secret in RB battles, so I'm turned on AFK. But look, I have glitched down from in there to here. It wasn't fully my work. It was also thanks to the help of these two people right here. Their YouTube channels are Energy Penguin and 3 Electro. You can go and subscribe them. And so basically, I don't know how it works. I mean, I kind of do, but you kind of fall down near his door. You just got to keep jumping and rolling, and then you can glitch into here. So I'm going to take a little view. This is kind of all that's here. Oh, what happened? Well, I guess a glitch gone wrong. Anyways, we got this raccoon with the thing on. I don't know if it's like a YouTuber or something. Or a developer. Gasoline, lockers. Nothing in this locker. Nothing can really see through any of the lockers. There's this thing right here. You can't glitch behind the lockers at all. But, that's what's here. I'm gonna see if I can try and glitch out, because I've already kind of explored what I needed to explore, so. Oh! Hello, 3. You can glitch through here, too. Well, that's about it. That's something new we found. I'll update you if anything new has been found.